How to remove your favorite TV shows from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK. Now click on your profile here and then click these 3 points and then click edit profile and then scroll down. Here you will find interests. Click on it and here is it. Remove it, save it, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And now I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.